Takesushi. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I'll quickly teach you on how you can download Windows 11. For your information, this content is for people that do not have an update using the Windows update method like mine. But first, here's what you need to know. First, you need to check if your computer or laptop is compatible for Windows 11. Here's how. You can check it here by searching Windows Update and Start. Then here, you can see that if your system is compatible for the new OS. Well, if you can see this information like mine, you can go to this link and download the PC Check Health software from Microsoft. The link is on the description. After downloading it, just run the application and click Check Now. If your system can run the Windows 11, let's go ahead now and turn your Windows 10 system into Windows 11. Well, if it's not compatible, do not worry. My computer also didn't meet the requirements. Just comment down below if you want a tutorial regarding how I can manage to upgrade my system into Windows 11. Okay, let's go ahead now and go to this link. I am also providing this URL to the description so you can easily access the site. Now, under the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, click the Download Now button. After you install the software, just agree to the terms and condition, then click Next and wait for the update for Windows 11 operating system, and it will take up to step 3. So we just wait for a minute. This might take a while. But for me, I already did this and I'll just cancel this for now. After the installation for the Windows 11 update in Microsoft Assistant, your computer or laptop will restart. Then after that, tada! You have the Windows 11 operating system.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you will be updated